Our clients are constantly looking for beautiful exterior wood siding. It's an important detail in contemporary and modern homes, but it's a double-edged sword because of the cost and the upkeep on the wood. Even the hardest of the hardwoods requires yearly maintenance and is subject to fading and bowing. So I couldn't believe my eyes when I walked into the Panda Windows and Doors booth at KBiz 24 and I saw this beautiful wood siding options. Here's the thing, they're metal. I was totally convinced they were wood until I touched them, and it takes a lot to fool me. So let me show you. This is one of my favorites from the show. I'm still at the Panda booth, and they have these aluminum that look unbelievably real exterior wall panels in all kinds of configurations. So for the high-end homes, high-end applications, the system is a really great design. They've got all different kinds of profiles, and if I remember correctly from talking to the rep yesterday, they can go up to 20-foot runs. So you can have a continuous pattern from top to bottom on your really oversized brand. Isn't that crazy? They are just so beautiful. I was amazed. And even better, they come in 20-foot lengths. So you can put these on the exterior of a really significantly sized home with no seams. That is amazing. So I think with these, your search for exterior paneling is over. They're extraordinary. They'll last much longer than real wood with very little upkeep. So big problem solved, in my opinion, and I like that. Check them out at Panda Windows and Doors. And if you like our content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, do it all. And you know what? Did you know that we have a private Facebook group for people who are doing a custom home greater than 5,000 feet? We do, and it's free. You can find the information below. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.